Hello, thank you for taking time to speak with us today. We're really excited to get your thoughts on the exhibition. So first of all, could you tell us your overall impression of the exhibition? How would you evaluate it?
Well, ITES is very impressive. I think we have many modern and sophisticated machines that probably the Malaysian manufacturers would need. This year, Federations of Malaysian Manufacturers, a trade organization, we have like 12,000 members of manufacturers. We have brought about 105 visitors coming to this exhibition. We trust that with these machineries and the technologies that are displayed here, there will be of great benefits to the transformations and the upgrading of the Malaysian manufacturers.
That's great to hear that. It's always exciting to see how these events bring together so many different ideas and innovations. So, could you tell us a bit about your company and your purpose of your visit to the exhibition? What were you hoping to achieve, and did it meet your expectations?
Well, my company does mainly the metal fabricating business. So I think I'm focusing on the laser cutting machines, on the robotics machineries, and also the bending presses. So I think with this, that will help me greatly. However, one thing I wish to point out is I hope the pricing could be more competitive. Compared to those factories that we see outside. I mean, those who are not exhibiting here, their price could be more competitive. And the other thing I wish to see more is on this integrating the whole production line. We see more of like single machine. So we hope to see a solution provider where they can provide the whole production process. Yeah.
Okay, it's fantastic to hear that. I'm sure that many other attendances will be feel the same way. So let's move on to a broader topic. What was your opinion? Will I get your thoughts on the opinions on Chinese manufacturing markets, and more specifically, what was your opinion on Chinese products?
Well, I have been buying from China about 30 years ago. So from the beginning, where the products that made in China are relatively inconsistent in terms of quality, and I think for the last 10 years, the quality of the China-made products have greatly improved. So it is now of very high quality, and I think it is probably leading in some aspect. And indeed, it is very attractive for the people to buy.
That's a really insightful perspective. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with us. And is there anything else you'd like to add about your experiences here or your hope for the industry?
Well, I hope to see more and more companies are participating here, and I think there will be more Malaysian companies coming to this exhibition in the future.
Great,
yeah.
Thank you.